Alrighty, welcome back, boys and girls. It's your main math man, Mr. Shank, coming to you live from First Block. And in this video, we're going to just be multiplying some fractions together, and we want to reduce the product. Again, that's your answer that you get when you multiply something together, and we want to reduce that to simplest form, convert it to a decimal and a percent. So again, make sure that you're multiplying carefully. Anytime that you have those fractions like this, you always want to work in the numerators first. So we're going to multiply 7. We're going to do 7 times 6. Well, we know those times tables very simply. We're going to have 42 as our numerator, and then we multiply the denominators together, and we have 88. However, is this in simplest form? Well, what does that mean? That's just saying, how can we tell that our numerator can be maybe reduced or simplified? So we're trying to say, all right, let's divide this by 2 over 2. We're trying to make this a little bit easier to write, and so we can say this is going to be 21 over 44. Can we go any further than that? No. Very good. So this is going to be our simplest fraction. Now, however, we want to make sure that we can change this to a decimal and percent. Again, we just divide the numerator, so we're going to do 21 divided by 44. It's 21 divided by 44. Well, that's going to be about 0.47, and it has that 7-2 repeating. So 7-2 repeating. Again, we usually go out to those first couple decimal places, but that's okay as long as we're seeing what we get. So now after that, though, again, we can multiply that by 100 to get our percent. So we're going to say this is going to be about 47 and then 0.72 repeating percent. Again, these are all equal to each other, so make sure that you are saying just that. Super, super, super simple, and you are done. Any questions on how to switch between those values? All right.